Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We're still doing the landscaping design and stumbled upon this after I had uploaded the last video. Definitely check with your city, state, country to see if there's any rebate programs where you convert the grass into low water, low maintenance, local species. We are already doing this, and maybe we'll get $2 per square foot. We are 44 by 42, so almost 2,000 square feet. And if we could get $4,000, that would be great. We might also get some money for the rainwater barrels. We just submitted our application. Very exciting to see if we get approved. I'll put this link in the description. The application was pretty straightforward. We had to submit previous photos, and I spoke with them on the phone. They said as long as it kind of looks like that or looks like that, the after photos, we should get approved. Video number 92 done.